Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So sin 2x, that is about 2 sin x cosine x. Next, number 2 divided by number 2. Cosine x, we have cosine x squared. Next, cosine x squared, we can do about factorization. Next, the cosine x squared under the square root, we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. And now we need to consider the sine of cosine x. So from b over 4 to b over 2. That is about positive 4 cosine x. And from b over 2 to b, that is about the negative 4 cosine x. So in this situation, we can put like this. So we have the integration from b over 4 to b over 2. We put positive. So on the next one, because that's about the negative, but this one they are in the absolute value, you got about positive. So we need to put the negative sign in here. And we have the integration from b over 2 to b. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 1 plus sin x. Later that we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel the square root. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and this one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about cosine x. Now we need to change the bounds. When x equals to b over 4, so we put b over 4 cone here, and we have u equals to the square root of number 2 plus the square root of number 2 over number 2. So when x equals to b over 2, so we put b over 2 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to the square root of number 2. When x equals to b, so we put b cone here, and we have number 1. So This one we change for this one. B over 2 we change for the square root of number 2. B that is about number 1. The square root we change for u. Cosine x dx that is about 2u du. Next, u and u we have u square. The integration of u square that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. Minus this one. But we have another bounce in here. So we calculate this one and we have, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.